Welcome back to Trading Strategy number 3, day 93.
How are you doing with the exercises? Here's a strange question. In this putting together section of the course, are you marking where the stop losses would go? Strange thing. Many people do not mark the stop losses. Why? Perhaps you have felt a strange sensation that many people do. Even when they know there is no real money involved and they know these are training exercises, they still feel uncomfortable marking where they would put a stop loss. Super crazy, right? Tomorrow, we will discuss this just a little more. Please scroll down the page to find the training materials for today's lesson. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.